OpenAI is launching a new subscription service, ChatGPT Pro, priced at $200 per month, offering unlimited access to advanced features like GPT-4, Owen Pro mode, and advanced voice capabilities. The Owen Pro mode uses extra computing power to solve complex problems. A more affordable Plus tier will remain at $20 per month, offering access to all models and early feature releases but excluding the Owen Pro version. OpenAI also introduced a full version of its Owen model, which replaces the previous preview, offering significant improvements in areas like coding, math, and complex problem solving. It now includes the ability to analyze and reason about images and delivers faster, more concise responses.